slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
This is 2024 BMW X3, what's new? We will discuss in detail in this video. Please subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Enjoy watching. The present BMW X3 is approximately due for a new generation at 5 years old. And after its recent spy picture premiere, our spies were once again able to catch this new X3 practicing on the streets of Munich. Even though the car's body is still extensively disguised, we can still make out certain elements, particularly at the front. With higher, linked kidney grills and more angular headlights, the overall appearance resembles the previously unveiled X1. Additionally, the wheel arches have become boxier, and it wouldn't surprise us if this new model embraced the more angular body lines of several recent BMWs. Other than a sizable U-shaped depression in the bumper beneath the tailgate, there isn't much to see in the rear. If we had to speculate, we'd say the final design would resemble the X1, with sharp, angular taillights and crisp, powerful character lines defining the bumper and hatch region. Nothing is presently known about the next X3's powertrain choices, although we anticipate that it will come in IC, plug-in hybrid, and completely electric versions. It's also anticipated that this model would be the last X3 to offer gas engines as an option when it debuts, most likely no sooner than 2024. In the future, the model lineup will also include the X4 Coupe's brother, M Performance, and complete M vehicles. Thanks for watching, see you in our next video.